Anyway, guys, this is Samara Pizang Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to like a comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. For I love you so, guys. Finally, I promise Makonyana respond to the current situation that is currently going on. Lapana go TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. It is alleged. Promise Makonyani and her husband are getting divorced. Guys, Owami she posted exclusive video. Lapana go Owami Entertainment. So guys, ever since in the morning, Promise just been posting, advertising her Forever Living products. So today again, she decided to post her income from one income to 5 source of income. Guys, she even reveal how much she's been making. 42,000 rand, 66, 900,000 rand, 79, 56,000, 58,000. That's a lot of money, honestly speaking, guys. It seems like Promise Makonyane she understand every time when you are trending, it's opportunity for you to advertise your business. So those days are gone where celebrity or influencer content creator will come and release a statement addressing the current situation. I will promise that showing us Horibona they are making money. They don't have time for drama. I feel like she's responding to Owami, guys. Imagine posting your income. Hi, Kesana. So I saw a comment. Somebody went on to say this. People really are supporting Promise out there, guys. The people are not against the Promise for getting a divorce. People are saying, what's a girl? Thank you for choosing yourself. You've been begazelling. You've been begazelling for nonsense. At least now you choose to love yourself. Even if you check a Promise Makanyane's recently pictures, you can say, oh, girl, she's glowing, guys. She's really beautiful nowadays. I'm not saying she was not beautiful, but nowadays she looks like, money loves her. Money will make you look, Miss Makonya, she's been telling us some solo date, spending time alone. So Omi, she said that her Promise has been telling us what Yena she's getting a divorce. Guys, although Omi she did not mention up in a video that she was talking about Promise Makunyana, people are assuming to know she's talking about Promise Makunyana. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself.